Gonna start today's video by telling you to always put those stabilizer jacks down. See there? I was working in the camper and I walked to the very back and the whole thing tilted on me. So this is what I'm doing. I've got the pop top down, just kind of sitting there on the counter, and see if I can get in here and show you what I'm going to be doing. So you can see it's been repaired there, and some spots up there on that end, and then along here. Hopefully you can see that. And also over here, you can see the different color tint. So what I'm gonna do, just as an extra precaution, I don't see any repairs done in this middle section. I'm going to put a coat of Flex Seal on it before it gets painted. So that's what I'm working on today, and then I'll put it back up on the roof and let the sunshine dry it. And pretty soon I should have the primer from the Home Depot. So this is a little job I'm doing today. I also put a second coat of paint over there on that plastic. And I'm just going to be measuring for cushions for the front. Not sure what else I'll get done. Maybe some Reflectix will go up. I need one more water test before I finish all that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm still in a hot mess here. Here's all the caps. And things are just a mess. But this part, I might do another coat back here. So that's it for today. Talk to you soon.